We're walking around this construction site for the new W. Smith High School. The structural steel is my favorite because I want to go into welding.
You can also see these braces that we temporarily have, Matt.
Terminology you can always search up, but not exactly how to use it and how it's applied. Since I'm currently also taking some design classes for my engineering degree, I think it's very important to know all this stuff beforehand.
Today we're going to talk a little bit about how engineering meets construction, how it comes together.
I have construction technology too. Here it's kind of in person, I get to see it on a bigger scale.
Yeah, so here's all the stuff that you do. There's a whole cookbook on how you specify welds, and everybody uses these kind of welds.
Taking welding night classes at TMCC right now. So I have a book that I have to go through and take quizzes on, and all those welding symbols are on there, so I know most of them.
And we can't do this welding buildings in a classroom, so being able to watch it and learn about it physically helps with that.